How to add promo codes in MATIX. Hey everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Are you in MATIX and you want to use your promo code quickly and easily? Then the first thing to do is to open your MATIX application and sign into your account. Once you're inside the platform page or the home page, go to the left hand side at the top and tap on Market. Inside the Markets tab, go ahead and select the matching promo category. You'll see different sections such as balance bonus, deposit bonus, cashback, risk-free, percentage turnover, etc. Make sure to select the matching promo category depending upon the promo code that you have. Go ahead and select any one category that you want to use the promo code on, and in the promo code section, enter the promo code that you have. Make sure to type in the promo code exactly as it appears and click on Yes, Activate. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to use a promo code in MATIX. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.